Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. And for those of you that are new and don't know me, my name is Sandy Cruz and I am the creator of the iPlanner and iDesign and a whole lot more. What I'm going to show you today in this video, we're going to design this sticker in iDesign. So this is an iDesign with me and I'm going to show you how to create this sticker in Keynote using iDesign shapes. Okay, so of course I've already created the sticker. Here it is in Keynote. What I used to create this sticker were the iDesign shapes, weather shapes. I also used the Stik quotes, iDesign quotes, and then I used the Stik sticky note. And let's see, I think that's all. And then the patterns that I used were the Choreday patterns. Okay, so I'm going to recreate this sticker from scratch and show you step by step. First, I need to go to my Stik iDesign quotes. So let's go to my master slide and I want to choose weather in this font. All these quotes come grouped so they stay together nicely. And what I'm going to do to extract this quote is double tap and then tap it again and tap copy. And now I'm going to add a page and it adds it right below the previous page. So now I'm going to tap paste and I want to, as usual, grow this nice and big so that I can work on it easily. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is tap on the paintbrush and tap replace. And you have to make sure that the quote is selected, otherwise you won't get the option to replace it. I'm in my albums. I have all the iDesign patterns in my albums so that I can easily locate them. So here are the Choreday patterns. And let's see, what did I use? I think I used this polka dot. I'm going to double tap on the quote so that I can move the paper around a little bit, or the pattern. Since the background of this pattern is dark, I want to see some lighter dots inside my quote. Alright, that looks good. I'll tap done. And then I'm also going to copy this and duplicate or paste. And then I want to fill this with white. And I think, let's see, what pattern comes with white? I can't remember which one comes with white. Maybe spring? Nope. I try to put white in all of the patterns and colors so that, because I use black and white a lot. Okay, so I found it in Sweet Treats. Sweet Treats has white. Okay, so I'm going to just grow this ever so slightly. And I want to put it behind the patterned quote. So for this, I'm going to tap on the paintbrush again, tap arrange, and I'm going to move this slider all the way to the left. Let me adjust the size just a little bit. Now it's a little bit hard to tell because my page is white, but once I put it on the sticky note, it'll show a lot better. I want to add a drop shadow to the patterned quote. So I'll tap the paintbrush again and tap style, turn on the shadow, and I'm going to choose this drop shadow. Now I'm going to select all because there's more than one component on my board, and group it, and I want to select all again and copy it. Now I'm going to come over to my sticky notes or Stik-its. So those were the Stik-it quotes that I got this quote from, and these are the Stik-it sticky notes. And it comes with all of these different shapes and sizes and angles. Let's see, I think I'll choose this one this time. Copy. I'm going to add a page and paste. And you know what? Since I just copied and pasted that, I lost my copy of the word. So I'm going to have to go back. Okay, so now I'm going to select all, copy, and this time I hope I don't lose it. All right. Now I'm going to paste and size it to my Stik-it. Alright, so my Stik-it doesn't match my quote very well. or my pattern that I use. So I'm going to double tap on it, tap the paintbrush, image, replace. I'm going to go back to the Choreday patterns and colors. And let's see, this time I think I'll choose this pink. Well, that looks really cute. All right, now I want to go to my weather shapes. And since today is sort of sunny, sort of rainy, sort of cloudy, I'm going to need this one right here. So let's go to, this is how they come. These are all that's included in the weather. And this is the one that I need because I've got my cloud, I've got my raindrops, and sun. Today it's covering all the bases of weather. Tap on it, copy, add a page, paste, make it nice and big so I could work on it. I'm going to replace it, go back to my Choreday patterns, and let's see, I've got some stripes here. I think I used this check. I'm not going to add a drop shadow to this, but I am going to add a border. I love these shapes with white borders. So turn on my border. Of course, I want to change the color to white. And you can choose any color you want. You can even extract a color from your design simply by tapping color, slide over, tap the eyedropper tool, and then I can extract that color. And of course I want it thicker. But I'm not going to use this color because my Stik It is already pink. So I want this white. And you can change the thickness too by sliding the width back and forth. I think 10 is good. So now I'm going to copy, and I want to go back to my Stik It, and I'm going to tap paste. And now I want to move it over to Goodnotes. You know what? That white is kind of thick. Let me change that a little bit. 5. 5 looks better. Okay, so now, since there's so many components here on my page, I'm going to tap outside my page and tap select all, copy, and then I'm going to go over to Goodnote and paste. And there is my sticker. Now all these components are merged together once you copy, select all and copy and bring it over. So you can't separate these over in Goodnotes anymore. If you wanted something that you could separate and break apart in Goodnotes, then you would bring each layer over by itself. And by the way, if I didn't mention it earlier, I am using the Cassidy Daily Weekly in this video, and the Daily Weeklies gives you your day detailed on the left and your week detailed on the right. And as you can see, I've got some important things that I've marked throughout the week, and what I do is I copy this and paste it over for 7 days till I get to Sunday, and that's usually my planning day, and then I start a brand new week and then do the same thing the following week. I just copy and paste it over. And as I check things off, I like to use X's when I check things off because, let's see, I made my sticker, so I can check this off. I'm in the middle of making my YouTube, so I'm just going to put a slash, and that tells me that I'm in the middle of doing it, or it's in process, but it's not complete. So it's just a little trigger there that lets me know that I've started it. Now, of course, I've taken a lot off of this spread before I started the video because I don't want to give away any spoilers of what I'm working on and what's coming and what I'm doing. So I took a lot of my day away, but I left some things just to give you an idea. I usually keep my color coding here in the corner on this little graph area because I code everything by priority. So I have I color code by priority, and I also code with icons for context. And I have a video coming out to show you step by step how I code my tasks. So be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss that video. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed these stickers. I'm going to give these stickers away for free on the Facebook group if you want to come on over and get them. If you haven't joined the community yet, we'd love to have you. We're talking about Goodnotes and the iPlanner and iDesign every day. And if you want to make your own stickers, I will list below all the pieces and parts that I use to make these stickers. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.